Kenyam bala nermala ka jen ngija me bukona ngeja bana ngich ka doba dan and dairy passport kie your national ID card kie ne me take jimo dairy upload ka Facebook identity verification and gorke mani amagora balari gwasme mi jirami momme don goro de yode kalat ka social media goro jeno bine me bi gor ka jan gwasme ngad je longa no tinete wan tiken ka ID card ne shet ke national ID card KT ke voter ID card dan wala vote na vote ke je KT ke passport KT ke birth certificate do dan de kala ke je gwasme ba je nyodi ka Facebook amere dia na goro gwasme longa no de yana ngach ana men goro je no der and der identity der je verify ke je o jin mi jirame gujeno dong bi yobu kalat ka Facebook kano min dini jana longba cha Facebook du cha de na ngachor no ke cha de hak mishi Facebook du chi je verify chi tur du chi passport du ki ID card du shelaten telechor me de janang so ka jen report me benyo ya kele ki en me benyo de me be yelo ka longo do dan deran der yu der ka je ka social media so gor jeno jin bi tutorial me bi jogor ko do badan and dairy your ID card your national ID card ki passport ki birth certificate ki voter ID card do badan dong dairy Facebook dairy verify ka je baje nyote gwasa mene ka jen tutorial to content akan kono niam gor jeno mi jiram jidit gor jeno jen dairy channel me dairy just support dairy subscribe ko dong de yente diala kon lat kurin gwa de kan chamala shukaya amene ma gor gwa me gor je bi jien bi we gwa mo bi we ka turu do gwa mo ne chika me shed le gwa mo tama bi turu do bi twan u kon ka setting de je ngaji gwa dan setting ten so gor jeno bi setting bi je twan ko bi mandana gor kon gwa me bi kula mal jek michi we gwa me ka jen turu do bana ma watch wudu ka turu gwasame tim benen tim gor kono gwasame ne okay mi bi gor ko dong mi kuje gor je bena me bi twany mi kelel gwasame no setting and privacy money gor je no bi twany and setting and privacy ka jen gwada danan bu kondo nan bu kono toktin mi ci bentin gwasame ka she twany bena me bi nen okay ben nyok mi nyot je nyok ko bran ba kula tike ngech ka do dan dong da je lat ke je na me be no ngi mi she twanya mandan man gor kono jenen gwatum keleli setting karwade gor kono bu kon setting bana je twany ka do badana dong de kono nan de kono lat keje mini twany be shirme sha twanya gwasame twanya mi she twany be jinung na meni okay bina me binen tem binen kuje me gor no bu gorlong very important to kon kana meni ki mi chele setting and privacy kwele la mi chele account center mi ajena danan gorno betwanya na meni bi je ka fe kan ara du ka computer ki ga mobile kan the same thing when yin ka setting bi ben gwaza meni be jin on gwada nen kono ma gwama men gore bilel gwaza me biname bi twany let me show you na me bi twany okay bi twanya na meni mishi twany bejinung all this information okay ngut kon ne ka mandana ci twany gwa da ben yo mo nyod je ya biname beben okay biname beben ana mene beben right now man gore bilad gwa seme as long as gore je ne ka steven nyamadana chanyo ya gwa da mane ka ci twany me chelele account center bejinung gwa da men gor kon jenena ajena me michelele your information and permission go rejeno bina mo bi twany your information and permission ajen gwada dana bu kon an kat gwada dana de kon passport no kon ki national ID card gwada de kon upload tin ki voter card dan go de kon ko verify Facebook sanchi cha Facebook dan cha jela hak dere mal recover ke nyok beneman very important lungwa men gore bi nyok mi ke gwasmene gore je bi ngaje no mi ku passport ku upload ki your identity and tab kon ko jing tama man yam bi gore jin your passport name can your profile name bigger large can shoot to share the kelamone she can bit gwat profile shoot ka do can shoot down and tikaji ka ID card mi tikaji bigger deal shot no more am gore kelon ke very important ko there and there jalat tembo lel gwadme me banyodi cause gwaye de no de gor goro no jin bi twanya na me twanya and your information and permission so me she twanya be jin na me okay bana me minimize right now man gor kona jene okay very important part me she chop gwadme man gor kona jene ne identity confirmation. Okay, you need to keep this in mind because it's very important. And what dan dong der na me der lat keje ko bejilwak identity confirmation. So gorno no mo bi men goro bi twine so men gore jana mititen gore jana bi twine no mo bejikula nan kamano dien dan gor kona ko kuje mo ba twine tama mishi twine bejin nung interface mani la interface at o continent tama ko jen beji teach ka your identity so gwad me di yenen dona manya ba teacher lel gwad me no ke issue ne titene dona manya barit ka teacher one so no mashi jen very important already cha do ne cha verified ben yo de bo do bra na cha verify ka ko di yente ka ngach no cha verify fidi so man gur kon gwad me I will show you later man gur kon gwa jin ben gwa mi chelel confirm your identity man bi lele get started okay try and get started the next move belel man yam go region jin be to authentication verification be jelel if you want to protect your account ki go ne jen will be you want to run ads about social issue election or politics but go kon gwa then will be identified just simply lele running ads about social issue no will protect your account beji teach ke dundodian let's me simply protect your account so you will see member non kon gwadam ko already do na shalel ke jimi shetwan beji non mutual ke ngado gwadam alon ya beji non should gwadam she got two factor authentication me be nongi so be you click on gwasmo and then do not ko share verify there's no need for me I already did that so ke dere way dere do dere protect ke mobile security ke en muguje dele alga jama but important part gor kono gwadame balajen michol kono men go identity verification so what you need to do click start jerman jonyo dene won gwadame twine mene mishi twine biben kanon biben karan arts and about so tem bugur gwadame already do nesha ja verify kaji biben like this so tem bugur kono gwadam ping gwadam mene pinya mene nen pinya mene na tem chelel gwasmeno where will you run arts country down and they are they ranted a change tell ad mukuran but gurin jawjin bi tour bi ngare du la passport ki id dum banyo dia and be upload cause be jigan katin kono dong der lat gwasmene so chana men werech ko bi kon madan to kon ngaiten so gwadame twanyen country me amishi twany moiro du ka which okay moiro du which ala wije dana titin wije titino let me simply say it Ethiopia menelel Ethiopia the Ethiopia lel ki der South Sudan der lel mit South Sudan you can go to direct to South Sudan okay I'm going to show you here okay South Sudan jana this South Sudan der select depending come on go Ethiopia South Sudan Kenya Uganda ala just imagine your passport South Sudan ki jinba mi dundu Ethiopia okay me as South Sudan you simply leave it South Sudan so next move get started maybe at one okay are you sure you want to confirm your identity me no give you yes continue so ko go be nyo di na ndera na lel gwadame okay as you go jeno bileli yes mu go je misijen you go back you click no so let me simply go katin konen chelele won already ko shan go dum bamu dadi en beje nyokole la waka view issues tetene ale al michelele gwadame United States of America let me just simply click that okay ko go jeno bi kon mana le road bi kon kula ngaji okay let me go to upload ID be kula nyoten kon gor kon ken ode kon ka ngaji again the same way down you can gwada men bilel gwada and you click next okay just click next mishi we connect to be no gwada me okay beginning all this thing so this is one thing me dere use mitika rartong mi dere adwen ko dialti dere kalat okay dumer kemenama but a different come on de lat ka witen ko ken to ka Africa gwada me mi banyo ko mi nyodo yebo nyodo ye option ko na tekeji okay let me click that let me go direct to Ethiopia okay let me go to upload ID okay Aiwa. Now, chakonu na medina a different kadung Western world. Dung Africa different kan kujimi, okay? A different. So let me just simply click upload your ID. I'm gonna click on it. But next. Now, bakon mo ka option it in kon gor konke. Be bentama bakon mo ka option. Option content gor kon no de kon kalat, you know. Ko lati ka tibran bakalat gwasame. Let me click next again. Browse photo. Yes. Now we are here. So pay attention to this, okay? To compare passport, let me simply say passport, driver license, national ID card, marriage certificate. There are more here. Official name change paperwork, green card, resident permit or immigration paper, tribal identification or status card. To compare voter ID card, mutika voter ID card, and which on family certificate. Visa, national age card, immigration registration card, tax identification card. No. Kedi dialati kati di take kel radian. Mitika kel radian, you are lucky. Okay, shiatama mitika national ID card. Biname be you twanya national ID card, you know. Me which don't eaten. We to one calf got taken national ID card. Be you twanya na men. Come to nijin. Ka driver license be twine come to ka passport be issue twine jetam mutin ka national ID card, you just click national ID card, then you click next. Mishi next year twine beji ngwa da me beji ngwa tureka. Okay, mene photo requirement ko la take some format dong la wina la jadal, so don't chi denga jeno format den gor kamo. Let me click format bakon kulo nyon na dana gor ka gwada me. Okay, good. Gwada me show all four corner. Mishi tour ne tour be all four na corner ka corner tour ko do de albika nyot ko take corner dang one chikamine nyana maka video man no anyoga wa tour alamen ID card man dana tour be la pingwa me be kulo tour ten ko be kulo George be tour ka mobile be tour ka camera ken Michelle ka be tour kana mane madadian. You need to use clear and focus image bala image mi George gor ka dialten chay yo jogno use a dark background kada bela amachar. Okay, anyo gwada me show all info on your ID and misha gor ka ID card bedil George titi kan wan to gor kan jin bu gor and gwaza mane. So gwada me men belen cause gur kono no bukon focus anti dialti gur jeno bikanga keni tour keni na laraj. Okay, ko bi kula ngajeno emendian gur kamo do badan le tour de upload kaja. After that, you complete in a mesh and I do down there. You just simply below joke. Wait a minute. Okay. You just click. Now we can say cancel this because Gor corner. Okay, because we are done there. So we can click back. Okay. Now when we never be you try and upload. Me to return you upload it. Me ten and guazamone. Okay. Me ten be try be you upload be you submit cause submit button. Ya guadame. They submit button there and guadame. Ko different guadana she tour she upload ten guad. Men bangai guadame take a mugurke e bangach. Tura mila de jarech tem gorben yo the guadame cause bukule take a net. Gorke ji ture. Gorga jitura mi 1500 x 1000, you know. Alana me again side tur sorry 0.1000 ala tur do be converting on with can height ka tur do ko ba je kula accept ala amina your national ID card ke passport be the side be the rep commission wodum gwas me ko mi jin ko upload right now no shebe che de man, but that's important thing me there keep in mind gwas me wada dana ku tur do ko upload ten me goro jin ba ngajba men ba ngajene me goro no be remember ko tam you have the computer ko you have the computer medicine share my option but me a telephone la turu do bichu turu je be nyot gwa dan be turten be tu direct. Okay, chi bila upload je but me computer upload but me a mobile phone you just simply screenshot it ke be chu turu camera me be kan nyode yo me chi tie je chi gorga dal chi George be chu scan gen be jogo no dan jen do dan and don deri do no deri just submit no kaje. So go kuja mo miti talk and you complete lochi talk you be you mo care for grace kami can reject after that call can mo care 48 hour mi can reject you can la no chine reject be nyo mo kuja upload but make sure a passport national ID card te George reason da na gur jeno dere identification dere je verify ka je wojin chi gura ba Facebook do ba ja hak ko rum cha je gagrar je Facebook ano ba jila ulok ka do ba dana dong dere recover ka je ay nyobe dunda ko right now kon to gwa be nyota dunda do ba dana che verify ka je mi chi kon lo jo gwa me ka identity confirmation a chi kon ben ka personal ID gwa me te mi che nyot kon gwa da na mene information you have submitted kan information kon che submit gwa me kan kon be nyodi so be personal ID card me be issue twan be ko nyom na dana tokten now duna share upload let me show you cause dong mi shi gwa gwa me sorry okay na me mi che submit ka changa jandang rawid DH eno ka paidok an wala wonkin daw ya dang bakale jen ko official document ko jala upload ne ka jen gwas ko goro jen wo biya jangat so right now just submit ka on 25 2026 ala United Arab Emirates so from there ko chikana no already benyo de gwas ko chikana allow so back click official document now you can see charger confirm mi jini gujija mi chikolo jo gwas dere nan gwas mena confirm it lo cha confirm already the same thing to you right now a chen chateramu mamukuja ngoda body je recover again chet ka page and profile so de je nan ka de je as long as tick ID card ko rama shi kwala yo cha wa ka shariyo cha je de je an nyong bile longbo gor je no jin bi rule bi ka respect rule taught in respect and ti ke rule in continue do jin shi Facebook chi je bi use ke chi violation chi bulat chit ke turun je chi de pose ano shi video je ki de pose ano shi de comment je bogo dunga radian ko jin de je gagrar eken so kuje mo bi ka remember it doesn't matter ro shi turu shi upload ke charge verify ke charge confirm chum cha confirm gwada me mala matter no jin birule min Facebook bogo de lot ajala very important so the good thing and what she upload gwasa me longbo ajana chala rim dana you are here no there you there kalat ke Facebook right so kuje mo gore je no your identity be verify so mutika question gwasa me ano ka guje no de je loka mi guje mo de je loka je please comment anya mutika video mi guje no de lat mi kuje lade de nyode ani cho aje pero je no biya channel biya support biya subscribe ka biya notification bell biya je twan ko mi te technical issue mi chala res gwada me ne ana beje nyode we are here to fix things because man bana kare alaka mi goje mo ke mi gaye mo lara baje dal ka gwaso mo an bana jog nyoba je kan yi dodian biatemal